Hi everyone. I'm at a friend's place in Harare called Westgate. It's a such a beautiful area. I will show you the house where I'm at in the morning. Now I just had my bath and I'm tired, because I woke up early in the morning. I think it was around 3. And after that, I was so busy moving up and down and yeah, I am tired. So I will sleep, but in the morning, definitely, then I will show you around this beautiful home. You will all be amazed. This is in Zimbabwe, Harare. The area is called Westgate. Okay, good night. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Um, I'm feeling so good and fresh this morning. I had a good night's sleep. And like I said yesterday, I'm in Westgate, Harare in Zimbabwe. So I promised you a house tour, and that's what we're doing right now. Let's do it. Okay, this is the entrance of the house. Look how big this house is. Look at that. Oh, it's a mansion, eh? Okay, this is the garden. It's also beautiful. The garden is so huge. Okay, let's get into the house. Okay, this is the room where I spent the night. This is my luggage. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, you know what, to come up with such a big place, you have to be a hard worker. You can't just get it just like that. Look at how much land they are utilizing. You know, it's not just seated land. These guys, they farm, you know. Look how beautiful this is. So much. And what's your name?
I'm Shepherd Bokos.
Shepherd Bokos.
From Murewa.
Okay. All right. This is a maize cob. For those who don't know, this is a maize cob, and when you process this, it gives you a mealie meal, the one that we use to make pap. So look at this. These guys have got lots of projects. They work hard, they know what they're doing, and they also recycle. There by the corner you can see plastic. They say every year they sell 7 tons of maize. 7 tons, that's crazy.